In front of me is Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Hit OK. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Now you need to edit it thanks to those three dots at the top right corner and Edit Switches option. Finally, scroll all the way down and look for a new Caffeine shortcut to add it. Then hit Done and click on it here. So sorry, misclick. As you can see, mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!